Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this super cute, super full, super beautiful boho braids. Keep on watching. So this hair is courtesy of Sensationnel. Yes, Sensational. If you know anything about Sensational, they have some amazing wigs. I'll link some up above in the card so that you can check them out. But today's video, we're focusing on the Sensational feather crochet hair. Yes, Sensational has entered the chat for the crochet braids. This is the 18-inch Bohemian style. Can we get into these curls? Now, these have been up for a week now. No refreshing, just a bonnet at night. And they look amazing. Like, I'm scared to put water and product on them because I don't want to mess up these curls. Like, they look so good after a week of wear. So this is 5 packs. This is a full head of hair. I used 5 packs for this look. These are the miracle knots, and I did the triangle braids this time. This is my first time trying triangle braids, and I definitely will be trying them again. But I definitely will be using much larger sections for the next install. But I'm gonna give you a 360, get into these triangle parts a little bit, and we'll be back with more details on this hair.
I'ma make a better way. I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world.
So this is human hair. So this hair can be styled just like your natural hair. It can also be colored. You can treat this just like your natural hair. You can wash it. These miracle knots have definitely become my go-to style, but this Bohemian texture, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. This hair also comes in different textures. This is the Bohemian texture. It also comes in a body wave, a deep wave, and also jerry curl texture.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home. Let the negativity with that broke mentality jump on. Jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it. Don't make sense now. Give it a good. Yeah. Put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home. like no days off, so you can go home with that broken mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break?
So if you've gotten this far in the video and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? There is no cost to you. It is free 99. Just hit the subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Save this video and share with a friend for some hair inspiration. Let me show you a few styles that I've tried with this hair.
Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a go. Put that on.
Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Hope you've learned a few tips and tricks for your next protective style. Let me know if we're feeling these Bohemian feather crochet hair from Sensationnel. I absolutely love it, and I definitely want to try out the other textures, so stay tuned for that. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.